Okay, so here we have little brown collar. Well, she's not little. She's probably one of my bigger puppies. She's got a beautiful even mask on the front of her face. She's a cream color with a white blaze. Definitely not apricot. The brown on the back is just the marking for the felt pen, so you can see who she is. She's another really sweet, easygoing puppy. Real relaxed. Bit bigger one of the bigger girls. Put her down, see what she can do. Come here, little bitty beetle. Come on. Come on. Can we see her? Can we see her? No, we're not seeing her yet. That's what happens. It's so high, this camera, right? It's really hard to get the puppies down at that ever. I did bring a rack over here.
You want me to go there and do that?
Yeah, sure, if you want. Huh. I think I met her back here. Good girl. Can you sit? Can you sit? Hey? Sit, sit, sit. Oh, isn't it good? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. So she's got a little bit longer legs. She's got a wavy, fleecy coat right now, but that's probably going to curl a bit more as she gets older. It won't be a tight curl, but there'll be a wave to it. A nice, curlier than normal, than retriever coat. But it won't be a poodle coat. Is it? So not really. I don't really want to sit, but I will follow you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. Okay. That's a good girl. Okay. This is brown collar we're calling. Well, she's got a black and white spotted collar on now, but she was brown collar before. Okay, so into the pen. Let's see how she does. Let's see how she does. Probably not very well. Let's put her in there. One down. You can turn them off. Okay, so this is the hot pink girl. This is her. Nice face. Cream, definitely a nice cream. Beautiful fleecy coat. Not as heavy as the brown girl, who is lamenting a bit down there, but that's okay. There she is, rolled over on her back. Okay, so we're going to put her down. Hopefully, as soon as I get another girl in, it won't be quite so traumatic for this poor little thing that just wants the food. Hey, baby, sit down. Big girl. And they all have names, and I'm just not quite sure who she is right now. But I have them posted on my website. Here we go. Sit. He's good girlfriend. Come on, let's go. What's this? What's this? Oh, there we go. What's that? What is that? Oh, what is it? I'm going to get that. I'm going to get that. I'm going to play with that. Hey? What's this? I want to play with that. Okay, so there's the little hot pink girl. Turn it off. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually light pink collar girl. I just don't have a light pink felt pen. And this is her. She's actually a very pretty girl. Lovely cream color. Two pissed off sisters down on the pen. I actually put them outside. The other ones. She's lovely. She's got a nice, nice build, beautiful head, stocky body. Very pretty puppy. You're very pretty. Yes, you are. Okay, let's see what she's going to do for me for fun. You going to play with this toy? Hey? Hey, you want to play with this? What's this? What is it? Hey, what's this? What's that? Hey, what's that? She said, I don't know, but I'd like to check the floor. What's that? Hey, what's that? What's this? What's that? Hey, oh, what a good girl. What a pretty little girl. What a pretty little girl. Hey? Go back to treats, hey? Want to try treats? Hey? What's that? Oh, Dancy says, now my mind's open. I said, I was sleeping. Good girl. Good girl. What a good girl. What a pretty little girl. Yes, you are. You're lovely. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, she said, Debbie. She's so all of a sudden, I'm wide awake. It's so fun. You want to try some more? Ah, you had your turn. You're being bad. No, that's enough. No. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so that is Light Pink Girl, aka Blue Spot. She is. Oh, pretty girl. If it matters. So this is Orange Girl, and she's one of the creamier whiter ones. Although she is probably, they're all pretty close, I'd say. This one's got a little bit darker ear markings. Nothing significant. There's another one that you can just pancake them, do they over. What good puppies. What good puppies. What good puppies. These are good puppies. Okay, so let's go see whether we can get a treat out of her or a... Hey, little baby. Go back up. What's that? Oh, what is that? Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. What a good puppy. You're still squawking, aren't you? Same one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Girl. Girl. What a good girl. Okay, so that's orange colored girl. Oh, sorry, sweetie. Sorry. We're going to run out of tape. Oh, she says, I'll take that. I'll take that. Yes, I'll get that. Oh, I'll get that. Yes, I will. I'll follow that. Come on, you got to go in here now. Okay, so this is the little female with green collar with green spot. She's here. She's very pretty, very sweet. She's a side look for her. She needs profile. Pretty good girl. Fleecy, lovely fleecy coat. Yeah, lovely coats. Good girl. What a good girl. Hold your back. What a good girl. What a good girl. Hey, what a beautiful face. What a beautiful face. Isn't that the beautiful face? Hey? Okay, come on, let's go back here. What's she doing here? Right here. Oh, there she is. She said, I just woke you up. You just woke me up to do this? Can't be a star when you just woke me up. Oh, she says, yeah, it's here. Let's turn around. Maybe that can see how pretty you are. What's a good girl, you want it? What's a good girl? What a good girl. So she's got a little bit of darkening here. A little bit of darkening here. And then her tail is a little darker. Her nose has got a bit of white on it. Very pretty. A little bit of a spot on the forehead. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good, good puppy. Come on, puppy, puppy. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, let's go. That's a good puppy. Hey, what's this? She said, there's my friends. Hello. Hello. Hello, pretty, pretty, pretty. Little pretty puppy. What's it? There we go. What's that? Hey, what's that? What's that? Hey, what is it? What is that? What's that? Hey, what's that? Oh, she says, oh, there's somebody else. You know, go see them. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Okay, come on, Trouble. Come on. We got 6. We got Two more to go. Little girl. She's one of the bigger females. She's got a lovely coat. She's very solidly colored. A little bit creamier. Little slight darkening on the ears, but the rest of her is pretty cream. Yeah, she's a good, nice blocky head. Just a good girl. She says, I don't mind. I don't mind. Let's turn around this way. Huh? There we go. Okay, how about this way? How about that way? Oh, what a good girl. Okay, let's go over here. Sit you down. Let's go right here. Well, she says, I'm going to go that way. I just woke up now and I'm just going to head out. Hey. What's that? What are you doing? What's that? What a good girl. What a good girl. That's it. What a good girl. What a good girl. Okay, so that's a good girl. Oh, she said I didn't eat it yet. I couldn't eat it. I didn't know how. Here you go. Sit. Girl. 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 What a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I even missed it. Oh, Jazzy. We're in here, and Jazzy's puppies are in here, and she figures because they're in here, she should be. Anyway. Done. So that is Purple Girl. Okay, so this is the little red-collared female. She's the tiniest puppy in the litter. She always has been very tiny, but also very stable. Always done very well. Held her own against all the other dogs. She's a sweetie. She's a sweetie. Yes, she's my little sweetie pie. Yes, she is. Oh, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, sweetie, put it back on. Hey, what a good girl. What a good girl. I just woke her up. Woke actually the last couple up, so. Who's bitching? Who's walking in there? Same ones as always, eh? Always the same few. Uh-oh. You going? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Where are you? Where are you? What's this? What is that? Oh, what is that? She said, oh, there's your kibble, huh? There's some kibble. What's this? Yeah, she just says, I'm a little firecracker. I am, really. Sit. Good girl. Turn around. We gotta turn you around. There we go. Sit. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl, hey? Okay. Okay, that's a good girl. Sit. She hasn't eaten one of them yet. She puts them in her mouth, chews them, and then forgets, I guess, and then drops them. All right, so you can drop that. Yeah, and I'll just